With the cost of supply cores quickly on the rise, let's take a look at TransTec's new EPS power connector tabs. With the new universal fit tabs, you can repair most common cores on the market today, from Mustangs to Camaros, Impalas to F-150s. First up is this Nexteer rack. You want to start by removing the old connector using a rotary tool. Don't try to break it off with a pair of pliers, you'll end up breaking off more than intended. You'll notice when you're all finished, there'll be some decent witness marks left behind. Use these marks as a template for where the new tab will be installed. Next, you'll have to mix your favorite plastic bonding agent. Spend some extra time to make sure the hardener gets mixed in there. A weak epoxy will make for a weak repair. Now thinly coat the contact points of the new tab. Line up with your witness marks and press. Let that cure for up to 24 hours. This is a Ford Fusion module. This core came in perfect working order, except that somebody handled it a little rough during shipping. Rather than scrap the core or desolder the entire board inside, we're just going to repair it real quick, just like we did the last one. Be sure to leave no material sticking up. You want the surface to be nice and flat. Material left behind could make your new connector too tall. Make sure your connector lines up perfect and wipe away any excess epoxy. Feel free to paint your core once it has cured. While it's only built to hold a wiring harness from falling off, here's a little strength test of our own. If you're going to rebuild it right with TransTec.